Salesforce Field Service connects your field service teams, contractors, and customers on the #1 CRM platform to deliver mission-critical service. When a work order comes in, dispatchers have a complete view of customer information, asset details, and warranties to improve service margins, and can use AI-powered recommendations to suggest next best steps, like taking proactive actions or adding equipment. Then, dispatchers can save time by automatically scheduling the right jobs to the right resource to optimize usage, and use built-in automation tools to quickly respond to changes like traffic jams and shifting priorities, so they can focus on more complicated issues. When help is on the way, you can proactively message customers to help them prepare for their appointment. Once dispatched, technicians have all the info they need through the Field Service mobile app, like customer details, service history, and steps to make sure the job is done right during the first visit. And if there's a change in business needs, you can respond by quickly building and deploying solutions like remote assistance, safety checklists, and other guided experiences right on the Salesforce platform. See how to empower your field service teams from anywhere with Salesforce.